My name is Alyssa Hampton. I'm the lead scientist for Beechtree Molecular. So we work with a lot of big name companies right now. We're doing some stuff with Apple TV, Netflix, Discovery Channel, some bigger name groups, as well as a lot of school systems and travel industries. So why would someone like Netflix work with us? We use a 4-gene target system. One of those is DNA. So we're looking for human DNA to say, yes, this is a quality sample. After that, we're looking for 2 COVID-specific genes. Those indicate that coronavirus is actively in your system. You have viral RNA alive and well in your system. The last one is coronavirus specific. It's kind of a cross-reactivity confirmation. If you flag on the 2 COVID but not the coronavirus, then it flags something in our system to say the sample should probably be rerun. And if you flag on all 3, then that tells us without a doubt you've got 3 sets of viral RNA in your system. There's 3 genes that make it clear that you definitely have COVID.